Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS ZenFone 8 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now we have to find the security and lock screen. Now let's scroll down, and as you can see in the privacy section on the second position we've got encryption and credentials, and here at the very bottom of this list we've got clear credentials option, so simply tap on it. And as you can see, your device will ask you if you really want to remove all the contents, so just tap on OK. And as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to remove credentials in your ASUS ZenFone 8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.